everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw all kinds of flowers. Well, I'm really excited. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do so right now. Great, let's go try to draw some flowers and see what we can come up with. First, we're going to start off by making our flower pot. We made our flower pot tall and skinny, but you can use your creativity and make yours however you'd like. Now we're going to start to draw our flowers. We're going to start by making a big flower towards the left of the pot. We made this one look kind of like a sunflower, but you can make yours however you'd like. The next flower we're going to make is going to be a rose. We made this one a little to the right of the first flower. If you watched our previous video on how to draw a rose, we're going to draw one just like that. For the next flower, we're going to make a tulip. For this one, we're going to put it above the two flowers that we already made. Then we're going to make the next flower to the right of the pot. After that, we're going to make another flower above the rose that we made. Now we're going to make our last flower. This one's going to be to the left of the tulip. We only made 6 flowers, but if you want to make more, feel free to do so. Once you're done drawing all your flowers, we're going to add a stem from each one going to the pot. For the last step, we're going to finish the pot. You can design yours like ours, or you can make it any way you would like. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I hope you enjoyed drawing your flowers. Now come color them in with us.